Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an APC UPS uninterruptible power supply and you need to replace the battery on it. Now there's a bunch of different models. I'll go ahead and put a list of all the model numbers in the description that this particular battery and guide will work for. But anyways, you might need to know that you need to replace the battery, or it might just be notice it's not holding a charge or not charging properly. Rather than getting a whole new unit, it's very easy to just replace the battery, and these do need to be replaced from time to time. So first thing you need to do is you just need to get the battery. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get the battery. It's about 50 bucks and shipping is free. But all we need to do is just remove that cover from the back or the bottom of the unit. We need to get our battery ready, and then we'll pull the old battery out and unplug it. And then we're just going to plug our new battery into those little plugs there, the little jacks there, using the little metal prong and then that little plastic plug area. And then once we do that, we can just slide the battery in and we're basically done. So if this video helped, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.